Welcome back to Zimist Coded. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install the YouTube desktop application on your Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer using Firefox. Now, before we dive in, if this is your first time here or you haven't subscribed yet, take a quick second to hit the subscribe button. It really helps support the channel and keeps you coming back for more simple and practical Windows tutorials. All right, let's get started. First, open your web browser. I'll be using Firefox for this tutorial. Once Firefox is open, head over to youtube.com. When the page loads, you might see content right away if you're already logged in, just like mine. If not, don't worry. Your screen may look slightly different, and that's perfectly fine. Now, when you're on the YouTube homepage, take a look at the address bar at the top. Over on the right-hand side, just before the bookmark icon, you'll notice a small install icon. In Firefox, this may appear as Add Tab to Taskbar. This is what allows us to install YouTube as a desktop app. Go ahead and click on that icon. Give it a second, and you'll see a small pop-up appear at the bottom right corner of your screen asking if you want to pin YouTube to the taskbar. Accept it. And just like that, YouTube is now installed on your Windows computer as a standalone desktop application. Pretty cool, right? As you can see, the YouTube app opens immediately, and it looks exactly like the regular YouTube interface. Clean, fast, and distraction-free. It feels just like a real app. Let's close it for a moment so you can see what's changed. If you look at your taskbar now, you'll notice a brand new YouTube icon sitting right there. This is your shortcut to open YouTube anytime you want, without opening your browser first. And quick note here, make sure you watch till the end, because I'll also show you how to uninstall it if you ever want to remove it. You can also search for YouTube in your Start menu, and you'll see it listed just like any other installed app. To make access even easier, right-click on it and choose Pin to Start. Now, YouTube is just one click away from your Start menu. If you'd like to have it on your desktop as well, right-click on YouTube again and select Open File Location. Here, you'll see the shortcut icon. Simply copy it and paste it onto your desktop. Great, now you can open YouTube using the taskbar, the Start menu, or the desktop shortcut. Now, let me quickly show you how to uninstall it. To remove the YouTube app, open it first. At the top, you'll notice the address bar is disabled. Look all the way to the far right, and you'll see an icon that says Remove Tab from Taskbar. Click on it. That instantly uninstalls the YouTube app from your system. Finally, if you created a desktop shortcut earlier, just delete that icon, and you're all done. And that's it. That's how easy it is to install and uninstall the YouTube desktop app on your Windows 11 or Windows 10 PC using Firefox. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or ideas for my next tutorial. And if you're new here, go ahead and subscribe to Zimist Coded for more simple, clear, and practical tech tutorials every single week. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.